Yeah, man. We're starting with breaking news, folks. Oh my God, I'm watching a Hikaru video right now where he's giving his take on the huge freestyle tournament they just had in Vegas. I'm not going to say anything because I have to watch the whole thing first, but I literally think I'm going to do a reaction video on that. It's all I can say. It's all I can say. I gotta stop. Here we are, folks. Biggest stream of the week. Chess tournament day. Pilot Cougar Chess is the first person in, rated 1156. Bang, I have joined the tournament, folks. Let's get a link to the tournament in chat. Join tourney here. Join tourney here. Bam. Just copy that. And hit it. Dude, Jay, what's going on? Center, what's going on? There we go. And bang, there we go. Everyone gets it. Dude, what's going on, guys? Chess on the brain, bro. We need to get chess on the brain. Let's start a game. Let's just play a game. I'm here to play. Guys, you know why I started streaming, right? To play more chess. You know what this game's going to be? More chess. As long as the game doesn't take longer than an hour, we should be fine. We might not fail. What is going on with you guys, man? We got a great gaming stream tonight, man. Josh with his chicken wing. We're going to speedrun Elden Ring. It's going to be amazing. D4, we play Knight F6. Man, I watched some chess last night. Got some ideas and a couple of things. Naroditsky. The video is called like, good ways to play against the Alapin and what was the other one? Some other weird freaking opening that I'm like, I want lines for both those openings. Knight F3, we played G6, right? Yeah. I cannot attend the tournament due to my son's football practice. Jay, you got something way better, dude. Who here doesn't wish they had a son that was playing football today, and we were doing that instead. Well, I do have a son. My son never really got in. Wait, oh my God. He's playing the London. What do you do against the London system? Might be able to join today. We'll know closer to 4. Center, get in when you can, brother. Ken, thank you for the share. Oh, man. We are off, guys. Look at this Manunu giving me this move. What do you do here? He's played this before. Here. Knight C3. I don't have a pin. Wow. This looks weird. He wants to trade this off instantly. Do I allow him to? Do I play here first and then knight here? Dude, this position. Ooh, we might get banned from chess.com for actually analyzing it. Not we, me. I'm not taking any ideas from you guys, but I'll tell you this. This is a weird position. Like maybe castles, bishop h6, and then play this move? Are you feeling the vibe? If you are, like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Good rhyme. I stole that rhyme from Streamlabs bot, folks. So we play a Grunfeld style with knight, and when the queen moves, we play d5. And the thing is, we get it quicker because of the liquor. d5, c4, c6. I'm going to castle because I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. Pamela Stark, hi, it's Kim on Mom's account. Kim on Mom's account. That's like double the love. Is Mom there? Is Mom there with you? Or are you just like at home be like, oh yeah, I'm bored. I'm going to go on Facebook and just use Mom's account because, because I'm bored. I could give you my account information too, Kim, if you just like to use people's Facebook accounts. Smells like tournament day. It is, Bill Stevens. It's tournament day. The horse piece maneuver, possibly. It's an idea because the knight comes. Although, if I do play the knight, queen to this square, let's say, right? D5, I still don't have any checks. C5, no, because that would drop my knight. Knight, queen, D5. Takes. He gives him this square, but we can attack. Dude, this is the idea that appears to be the refutation in my... What do I tell you guys? Don't grow a brain. C5. D6, let the bishop out. Don't grow a brain. Just develop your pieces. Oh, man. The thing is, this is a free move. I'm not playing this D6 anymore. He's not playing the London anymore. He's doing your typical trade-off, and then he's going to try and attack my king star. The attack could actually be... It could be a mucho problema. Maybe we should... See, D6... The thing about the knight, the knight is good. Don't get me wrong. Queen e3, d5. Lets my bishop out. Defends the knight. Claims fair share of the center. Makes a hole. Big hole, guys. Big hole. And the thing is, what is the knight really doing? The queen's in a weird spot. So we can maybe do something like this. No, because when the knight comes in, we don't have a break. We can attack El Centro. And then he wants to go bing, bing, bing. And if I take with the knight, he's going to take with the rook. And then the question is, what are my defensive maneuvers going to be like? Oh my God, this guy. Orlando, I love this guy. Give me a weird position. I feel like it's the move. I feel like Stockfish plays this move, guys. I'm doing it. Doing it. Queen e3 or f4. Then we protect. Takes, shoves. The square is covered. Yes. Knight comes, though. Played a bishop. He plays the knight attacking my hopper, guys. Plays it. Okay. Okay, we already analyzed this. Caleb says, hey, Charlie, missed you yesterday. I know, man. I did not make the chess stream yesterday, guys. Forgive me. Takes. Go, come on. Come with it. He wants to kick mine. Now, if I play here, he plays here. What about this move? It makes the knight eternally eternal. So maybe this wasn't good. Push. Takes, queen takes, bishop f5. He has a check. I can play f6. Yes, I can play f6. I sack a pawn, but on this move, I get this pawn. I also will open up checks. What if I play this move? Knight takes knight. No, pawn takes, queen takes, check. F5 is dumb. Get that. Stop saying F5, guys. Stop saying F5. I kind of like that line with F6. What was that? That was... Oh, yeah, I let him do this. So play C5. Maybe he takes. This pawn is weak, but we come out into the world of chess. I could lose 2 pawns that way. This is probably the move, but it's so weird. You want to play C5 first, guys. He's attacking. Do I come to this square? Looks like a good square, but now, and then he jumps in, and I'm behind in development, guys. I'm behind in the developmental scenario. It's like this is just it's just a move, guys. It's an actual maneuver. See, I want to play queen a5, but then the e-pawn's hanging too. After pawn takes, queen a5, knight takes knight, pawn takes knight, queen takes, bishop f5, queen e5, f6. This square is loose. Knight takes knight. Like I said, this doesn't work so well because of this move, but wait for it. Just wait 2 seconds, please. He could have checks here too. They could be very dangerous. Muto Dangeroso. So I blew this already? Am I already losing? Should I resign? Can't look at chat, guys. Can't look at chat. Oh my goodness. Leave him cramped. Knight back. Again, castles. He has 1, 2, 3 pieces developed and he's castled. I have 1 piece developed and I'm castled. I'm supposed to have 2 at least. I'm supposed to be 1 move behind him. I'm losing the opening, guys. Because of this great move, knight bd2. Okay. His king's in the middle. My king's castled. I'll play f6, man. I will play f6. f6 keeps the knight out, too. Knight takes. Oh, but that knight takes and push. You'll probably take with the queen though. I feel like I want to do this so bad. It's made of unhappiness. What's the best move here? Did I screw up? Bishop Knight. Dave Joyce is probably here. You're seeing him saying in chat because we've been doing this for 4.5 years, almost 5 years now. Dave Joyce is saying just Knight C6. I mean, like, look at this square. Knight C6 comes with ideas. This could also come with this. So just takes and Knight C6. And then we don't get the C5 maneuver. I think I just have to... Oh my God, taking is so bad. It's not that bad, actually. I'm going to lose on time. I'm going to lose on time. I'm just going to lose on time. He's going to give me lots of time to think later, folks. We'll think when we're dead. We'll think when we lose on time. What is this? This must be the most boring game ever. I'm the worst chess streamer. This is cramped. Like I said, I could come back. The knight comes. F6 makes it go away. We're going to leave him cramped. Queen check F6. Knight comes F6. Oh, God. Is Dave Joyce here yet? Kim didn't answer. Streamrock rules. Thank you, Truth. Streamrock does rule. Should be more humble. Dude, I don't know if I told you guys this. Hey, Charlie, how's the matches treating you today? Jeremiah Swift, not good. My opponent played a weird position, and I decided to grow a brain and spend 2/3 of my time trying to come up with a Grandmaster plan. What's cool about this, though, after I beat this guy, we'll go back and look, and we'll see if that growing the brain, we're probably going to see that it was like, just Knight C6, just develop your pieces. What do you, I mean, look at though. His queen's in a weird spot. It is. When he does this, I'm kicking, guys. I'm kicking it. It's going to have to go back to a different home. Here, maybe. And look at this square. I need to get my pieces out, guys. I feel like... I don't play C6, guys. I'm not a C6er. Pamela Stark says what? Kim, I was asking, are you on Mom's account? Is she right there with you? Dude, Rob Mitchell, I decided to grow a brain. No brains, guys. Stop growing a brain. You play chess because you either think you're smart or you want to be smart. Like Fredo. The problem is, when you're rated low, you are smart. Like Fredo. Don't grow a brain. Listen to what Michael tells you. Michael Adams, the famous English grandmaster. Listen to your brother Michael tells you, and never take sides against the family. Never take sides against the family. In this situation, the family is develop and castle. I castled, but I didn't develop my pieces. Now I'm behind. He plays the check. Oh, he gets the pawn. Oh, I'm cool with that, though. I'm cool with that. Yeah, you can have that pawn. Yeah, take it. I can't... Oh, he doesn't even take it. He didn't take it. He didn't take it. Now we can play C5. What? What? He didn't take a free pawn. See, I thought I would have this, but I didn't. Now this is there. This is there. I think this is the move in here because we're... Oh, no. On pawn takes, he's going to be hitting my weirdly placed knight. So we just bring a piece. Put pressure and pressure, guys. But I can't... So do I do this instead? Then the knight can't live. We can develop and attack a pawn. Then if he castles, c5 feels better. Because c-file. Feel what I'm saying? We need to develop. This develops. It develops. So yeah, I just want to say hi to Mom. You're not with Mom. Okay, cool. Very cool, Kim. Well, it's good to see you. It's good to see you. Okay. Here. If he pushes, we just win. So here, and still with the same ideas. The rim, guys. We're going on the rim. Say hello. Are there any threats? I don't see him. He doesn't have this move. He might just do this. And then I'll attack a pawn. He can double my pawns, get rid of his bishop, and castle that way, but I'll get a... Okay, he does that, so he's not going this way, guys. He's not going this way. Trolling the square, folks! Okay. Okay, now, I think we take or we develop. Yeah, takes. Here. Takes. If he takes here, we take. If he takes this, he can't castle. Now you can't leave. And also, if he takes, he might win upon here. We're going to have a huge center with breakable scenarii, guys. Multiple breakable scenarii. Castles. Long into it, folks. Okay. We can take mucho spatulas. We could play this move. When the knight comes, we can attack this pawn. And he can't defend it. Now you can't leave. Taking is a maneuver that doesn't do much. It opens a c-file, but it doesn't do much. This says, okay, then I'm going to go like this and like this and this, which actually comes quicker than it seems because this maneuver comes with tempo. Here. Maybe I could bring the queen now and attack this. And then the bishop can come with check. But he's still going to get this in. He's still going to... No, I could play here. Then he has f3. I have this bishop here. Pawn takes. I'm going to lose on time. What'd the guy say? Develop the piece. If I come here, he attacks my bishop. I come here. Knight takes. Check. So that's not good. This is slow, but it might... I have to move, guys. I had to move. This might have been... Usually this is the bad move. It's the bad move. I should have kept the pressure. I'm trying to win based on the position right now. Now... This rook doesn't play. This bishop is severely limited in all capabilities as a bishop, right? He's kind of clumped over here. He's a little bit crowded. Hence this move I played, guys. It was to keep his pieces kind of in the way of each other a little bit. The knight's in the way of the rook. Okay, I mean, the rook's biting up. He's coming, guys. He's coming at me! If I play here, he's going to play queen and then shove. Here. I have to move, guys. I'm attacking. We'll come with check, and we'll play this move. The knight can't attack! The knight can't attack! The knight can't attack, guys. Now we get this and this. King over. It's your only move, dude. I already analyzed it for you. We looked at this 3 minutes ago. This guy, he didn't look at this? And now is it this move? See, he doesn't have this move for a move. If he could push the pawn, I could come back. It's gonna take a long time to crack this nut. I have just. Oh, he's sacking. Why? If I take he's losing material, or he's gonna have. He can take here, but I take with the bishop. There's no check. Now I'm threatening too much. I'm threatening too much. It's too much. We got this guy. We got him. We got him. I think we got, folks. We got him. I think we got him. Look at the queen. Look at the defensive maneuvers. Look at the beautifully centralized knight. Look at f6. Ben Feingold rolling over his grave. He can win a pawn here, guys. That's bad. Bishop takes. Just pawn takes. Check, by the way. Or is this better? Check. And take this and make his rook look dumb. I don't know if it's dumb, but taking this way opens up files toward my king. This will win this knight in a different Manunu scenario. If it takes with the bishop, yeah, we just take a piece. Oh, he takes with the knight, he saves the knight. Takes with the knight, takes bishop, takes, looks good. Then I take it, opens him up, and he's got this bishop diagonally. This is a Manunu. This can come with tempo. This can come with tempo. This can come with tempo. Not tempo, but it will come. It will kick. It will full kick drum, folks. Keep at it, man. You'll get him. I'm very, very low on time. This is like giving someone 10 minutes. Pawn to c6, queen to a5, knight to c4. Those might be ideas. I decided to go brain. Yeah. Omega. Those could be really good ideas. I don't know. We'll look at them after the game, okay? Okay. We are here to learn. We are here to learn. This was horrible. Takes with a knight, probably. Okay, now he's threatening my queen. I can take check. This knight could have moved back. Okay, now, do we take? Well, he's on my queen. He's on my queen, but we develop him. So we're going to put the queen to a better square. Am I up a piece? Yeah, I'm up a piece. I want the queen to go to a good square so I can take care of it here. Okay, now, I can do this, which is probably the best move. The queen can't come in. If I take, it's just a pawn. We're up a piece. We're attacking his king with our piece. We're going to use our piece to attack, folks. Here. Maybe bishop back. Sacrificial Lamsters. Sacrificial Lamsters again. What? Oh, you see it? If he pushes by, wait, push. Here, he can't take it. Now this square is among us. Once he does this, my bishop can't be kicked. He can come here, but we just sit. He comes again. That's fine. We come back. He can't get in the like square. I'm gonna have to defend this though, but I could do it like this. Not sure. He comes back. Oh. I kind of screwed up. I miscalculated. Okay. Bring a rook. I'm losing. Yeah, I have a rook sack available to me. Oh my god, it's mating. This threatens rook takes, pawn takes, queen mate. I didn't even realize it. Isn't it weird I saw it afterwards? I should have took and made him take with the queen first. Oh my god, I should have took and made him take with the queen first. Now he gets this. Now I can't leave. I wanted to cover the square, but I couldn't find a way to, guys. He's going to play this move. It's a pawn storming move. He can't attack his queen. This he can push is the problem. But then I can come here, but then he can push. And there's no... Push. Push. And I can't... There's... The queen's not working, guys. The queen is not working. We're up a piece. We got to get our just piece in the game and don't get mated and we win. Queen back. Okay. What do we hear? Guys, I should have took the pawn Trent, and the queen wouldn't have been able to defend this. He would have defended another way. Oh my god, I was threatening. Mate! The knight sucks now. The knight is on the rim. Knight. Give my bishop a square. Maybe knight here to start the maneuver. This isn't hanging, so he can do this. This was an idea that could have happened in another life. Push. I think I play king. Oh, I can't play king over. Now use can't leave. Oh man. He's got a backward pawn. He's got a backward pawn, guys. This could be it. This is a weak. It's what we call a weakness. A weakenness. Kind of like the Loch Ness, only it's a weakenness. There's many. Spell it however you want to, guys. I'm not gonna be picky. It's my word. Uh-oh. That was probably best. Okay. Check. King over. Oh no, I lose. He has queen takes and the bishop. I resign. Yeah, I didn't have enough time to find a very, very simple best square, guys. Or best answer. I didn't see the threat. I have to come here and then he takes. All right. There is value in exercise. Captain Stark, how you doing? Captain Stark is that a familiar name? Captain Stark 3999. Is it Captain Stark 3999 because Captain Stark 3998 was already taken? Yeah. Jeremiah Swift, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Okay. Let us attempt a game review. Guys, get in a tournament. The tournament, we got to look at the tournament, see who's in. Join tourney here. Join tourney here and join tourney here. And now, here's the deal. If you don't have a chess.com account, here's where you start. Here's where you start. You say, guys, it's totally free. It's totally free to use my affiliate link. This explains it. To sign up to chess.com. Get your chess.com account today, folks. That's what you want right there. Bang. And then you can play chess for free on your phone, on your computer, anytime. And then, if you already have a chess.com account, to join the tournament, this is the last bit of information I'm going to give you guys. This is to join the tournament if you already have a chess.com account, folks. Bang. And bang. Bam, there you guys go. There's all your stuff to read. Okay, let's take a look at the game review. We're going to take a quick look at what we like to call the Squiggler Cam. The Squiggler Cam. Whoa, loading. Chess.com. What's going on? What's happening to my computer, Danny Wrench? Oh, I know what's happening. That's what's happening. That's not real, guys. That's not real. This blank chess.com loading screen is in fact real. Okay, while that's loading, oh, here's one. So we've already got it. Okay, so we can come here now. Oh, the Squiggle Cam tells all, folks. I was clearly better till I botched it. Okay, we're very equal here. He's slightly better. Oh my God, guys, it might have been correct. See that this little spot right here where it goes up for him? That might have been my double knight move. It probably was. But then I gain a significant advantage, and then I slowly give it away. At this point, I was equal for a second, and then I'm just losing. Wow. All right, let's look at the stats, folks. They're going to hurt, but you know what? You got to look at the stats because this, guys, mathemagics matters. Okay? Mathemagics matters. Wait for it. 69% accuracy by him, 57% by me. Wow. He had 2 great moves. I had none. We both made 7 best moves. He had 3 mistakes. I had 1. He had 3 misses. I had 4 misses. I had 4 misses. One of his misses, he could have played queen d5. He could have took my pawn. I made 2 blunders. He made none, and he played like a 1300. I played like a 1000. And if I would have just did like I told you guys I was trying to do before, just develop my freaking pieces, guys, I would have played like a 1400 or 1700, guys. I promise you this. Okay, let us, oh yeah, we get out of here for sure. We go to the opening. And, oh, wait, I was going to check see who's in the tournament. Tournament. Get a refresh on this. Tournament. All right, it's me and Pilot Cougar Chess. Guys, get in the tournament. It's tournament day. Did you not hear what I said? Wait, is this window not even big enough for where it's supposed to be? Did it get wiggled? Would I do that to like try and hide our shame? Guys, there's no shame in an eval bar, guys. Eval bars actually are pretty cool. Okay, I think we're set, guys. I think we got it fixed. Where's my Explorer? Okay, here we go. Number 1 move is d6. Castles, c5. 94. One person played 94. Castles. Good. The most common move in this position is the most common move in all of these positions. But I'm like, queen d2 right away? Now I'm trying to make knight e4 work. I told you. Rob Mitchell thought it was funny that I said, I decided to grow a brain. Well, you know, I'm looking at this coming for free and then playing a different structure than I was planning on. But if it's a best move, it was not the best. Guys, just d6. Or castles. There's a 2898, a 2272, and a 2309 that all played this line, folks. He comes now d6, bishop h6, and c5. All moves I was considering. Let's go to analysis. When the opening book doesn't feed your narrative, what do? You change your source of news, and you ask Stockfish instead. Hey, Devendra Rajput. Devendra, welcome to the stream, man. Good to see you. Okay. It's torn between d5, c6, and knight e4 are all very, very close. It says it's good. d5 is best. Takes. Knight comes. Okay. That's dumb. Queen d6 is equal? Queen, but I lose a pawn. Takes. Oh, if queen takes... Oh, he has no interposers. Oh my god. His queen side is falling apart. He gets a check. He gets a pawn stir. It's okay, we develop around it. I want to put my bishop here, so now you can't leave. But, oh, this pawn's a hangster. Pin the knight, defend the pawn. Dual purpose manunu. You like that, Jay? Grandmasters do it all the time. Dynamis Attorney, no bucket starts in 21.53 chess.com minutes. You made it, Buck. Get in. Get involved. We need players, man. Okay. Mykolas joined 8:44. Guys, the brackets for winners of the tournament today, there's an open, right? Whoever gets the top 3 on a list, that's first, second, third in the open. Then, whichever under 1,400 rated player scores the most points in the open tournament, they win the under 1,400 prize. That could be you. If you are rated under 1,100, you're in that section, and the person with the most points in the tournament that is rated under 1,100 at the end of the tournament, because going back is too slow. It's just the way it is. You win the under 1,100 prize. The prize is I won. That's your prize. Your prize is I'm going to be like, hey, you won. That's your prize. Okay, guys. There's no free. Can we get some cash? No cash. Ruby just said I won't give her McDonald's money. How the heck are we going to have freaking money for cash prizes? We have something more important than cash. It's called, what's it called? Gloating. Bragging rights. Bragging rights. Okay. And then there is a under 700 section. So if you're rated under 700, like, there's no one under 700. If you join the tournament and you're rated under 700 and there's no one else, you win by default. We've had this happen. We've had it happen. Jay's got to go play football with his son. You know what Jay could do? Jay could just click join and then just forfeit, and he will get the under 700 prize. I don't recommend it. It's called Chiller's Kudos. Adam Dowsing, the most valuable currency on the internet. Chiller's Kudos. That's right. Jay says plenty of time. Yeah. Okay. So wait, we gotta come back here. Yes, so this was a line that was pretty good. Queen d6. Queen d6 was the best move here. And coming in, and I didn't see it. I come back. Check is good. f6 is excellent. And wanted King J didn't like f6. I thought f6 was totally Hikaru. Yeah. This he should have took the pawn, guys. Now, his queen is in the middle of the board, but it's not easily attacked. But we are catching up in development. White is still better because he got the pawn, guys. He didn't take it. Oh my God! I didn't even see knight f5. Attacks the queen. Is that self-harm? You're not allowed to do that on stream. No, it was a freaking mosquito on my head. How do you? I feel like that's unfair. Yeah, it is. It is, Jay. It is. I had knight f5. Knight f5, queen f4, g5 is 1,000,000% the move. And then he's supposed to take. Then you play e5. And, okay. This is so weird. And then like knight c6. Yeah, knight c6. Or d4. Or d4. And what's going on here? I'm up a piece. And my king is a little bit airy. Hair. It's minus 2.9, guys. Totally winning. Knight f5 was a good move, guys. Knight f5 was a good maneuver. We didn't see it. That's a mistake. h4 was better. That was no good. It wanted knight f5 again. I didn't see it again. Guys, I had developmental scenario on my brain. Knight F5 again. And I never saw it. I never saw Knight F5. Guys, get in the tournament. Guys, get in the tournament. You're not listening. I mean, you don't have to, but I highly recommend it. Oh, wait. It's ... Where's the link? When I said join tournament here. Oh, there we go. That's what I can copy and paste. I find when I advertise the tournament in chat, people join the tournament. So we're going to hit this one more time. And there we go. Okay. Knight F5, guys. I missed it again. Knight F5 is the maneuver. Blunder. He had bishop A6. It wants me to... This is better because it opens the file at the king. ED4. Knight B4. What? Oh, it's because if takes, bishop F5 cuts the king, and a rook's coming. Did you guys see that? This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Now, but what does it really threaten? Oh, I threaten this and this square. So he just has to give me this. Okay, he has to play knight h4 to keep my bishop out. And again, knight f5 is the move. If he takes, this is going to be brutal. Yeah, his best move is bishop c4. Or to take, check, knight takes. And my king is way safer than his, and I'm way ahead in development. Therefore, it's minus 2.89. Wow, this is a good line. This is okay, guys, and it all okay. Well, first off, this was a great shot. This is stockfish for sure, but this is not that insane to see if you were in like a 4-hour game. You could see it. Knight f5. Okay, yeah, let's go back. And this is too slow. That was best. That was okay. It wanted b5. Takes. Best. And now I'm supposed to take here. And play rook over. No? Oh, b5's no good. Oh, just play here and attack the bishop and threaten this. Oh, he has to play bishop d3, but I could play check. Oh, it's not check. Now we take here to distract the queen. And the knight needs to get back into the game because he has no jumps. It's +4 because we are... Look at that. Wow. Oh, yeah. Bishop takes, queen takes. Okay, so that's another way to make this happen. Yeah, I said FG2 was best. And he cannot allow to unprotect this. Well, okay, queen g2. Oh, no. Yeah, if I play rook over, he can defend it. He can still defend it. Rook d e1. Because if I take, he just takes check. He doesn't have to walk into the mate, guys. So just when you think there's a mate, it doesn't mean it's a real mate. What was I supposed to do here instead? I needed to stop him. Oh, wow. H5 makes a threat. Guys, we were taught not to push pawns in front of your king, right? It's it's one of the biggest rules in chess. Don't push pawns in front of your king because you weaken your king. And you know what? I think it's like 9 out of 10 times, maybe more. That's true. Sometimes. And this does still weaken my king a little bit. But you get so much out of it because it's better than letting him come with the kick drum. We don't need ain't nobody got time for kick drums. Ain't nobody got time for freaking kick drums, folks. This is a blunder. That's a miss. He had G4. Oh, he had G4, but I think it was coming anyway. Queen comes back now, G4, and he didn't play it. Takes, bishop takes his best. Good. Okay, queen comes, threatening a square, and miss. I did not see the threats. King F8, so on check, I can come here. Okay. I guess if push, we could play rook takes. So push might not be as bad as it looks. F4. B4 is the second best move. It wants to run for its life. Let's play this move. See what happens. C4. Rook takes. Now this is a good square for the knight, too. Takes. Queen takes. Massively centralized, folks. This is a draw. Rook D1. Attack king. Cutting off king. Ooh, that is a weird move, guys. No one's playing this. No one's playing this move. Let's play the move a human would play. Queen E3. Coming in. He wants to checkmate me, guys. He wants to do naughty, naughty things to my king. And dude, blocking is the only way to save the game. Okay. So that was, and that was my last mistake. It was my favorite mistake. Mistake. I made a mistake, guys. Yeah, this is main 3. All right. Well, hey, man. Orlando. Can I not give him a thumbs up? Why can't I give him a thumbs up? The man deserves a thumbs up, folks. Did I already give him a thumbs up? Guys, we got a 4-man tournament. We need more people in the tournament. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. This is the biggest day of the week, folks. Who's got 1,507 days? Calvin Chambers, man. Yeah. Keep smashing it, bud. I'm trying, man. Been a while. I hope you're, well, Adam Biggs, I am, dude. I see you have a 3-year anniversary follower. And you also have a top fan badge, dude. Adam Biggs, thank you. I'm looking at your profile picture. I don't know if you are the older one or the younger one. But I'll tell you this. Looks like two people that love each other. It's a great picture, man. Wishing you the best. Cherry, what's up? I was in battle. Dave Joyce with 100. Dave Joyce. I grew up brain, Dave Joyce. I grew up brain like in a petri dish. But I forgot to put like the drops with the little dropper thing. The little eyedropper thing. I forgot to put the drops. Yeah. Don't grow brains in petri dishes, folks. You don't know what the hell you're doing, because I didn't. What the heck? What the heck? It's a family show. Oh my God. What do we need? 10 minutes till tournament. The coffee's cold. It's the biggest stream of the week, folks. Played like a 1,000 player, Dave Joyce. Because I grew a brain. Dave Joyce is just like, yeah, try not to grow brains. You know, it's funny. Wait, if we can push time to 7 p.m., I can join. You know what? We can't. I literally was like considering upending the entire Charlie Sardo Gaming weekly for over 4 years tournament. Big Dad's in. Upending it, flipping it upside down. Everyone who's already committed to the 3 or 4 o'clock start time. Throwing them all under the bus, all for Cherry Scotia, world famous Twitch streamer, folks. But I can't, because I got an 8 o'clock stream to make tonight. So we got to stay on schedule. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 100 stars. Calvin says, in how many hours is 7 p.m.? It's 11 p.m. by me. That's a lot of math, man. I am in Texas. Just type Google what time is it in Texas and it'll tell you. Unless you're on a VPN and you're pretending to be in Czechoslovakia. It might not be accurate. Yeah, CST, Central Standard Time, Texas time. How many hours? Well, it's 7 p.m. It's going to be about 3 hours. It'll be about 3 hours. It's only 2 in the morning. You got this. You got this. You stay up late, right? You look... Wait, no, I forgot. I looked at your picture. Alas, Calvin Chambers appears to be a responsible person. Calvin Chambers is in a picture with somebody who obviously loves him. Irresponsible people. Do we write a country song right now called It's Hard to Love an Irresponsible Person? Calvin wanted to play the other day. We're going to play a little 3-minute chess while we're waiting, folks. Do we have time? Where does the bishop go in this line? I guess I'll make a place for it. Oh, that would come here. Defending. Also should be pushing. Pushing, guys. He was an emperor. He's the guy that built the Great Wall of China. Oh my God. Just make it look pretty, folks. Okay, now. Everything's prodded. Comes here. We come here. Rook, bishop, queen, bat ray. And we have a full bat ray scenario. Just bring the rook, guys. Just bring the rook. Nothing's happening here. Yeah, I might have made a mistake, folks. Now, I could take here with tempo and lose this. No, we take here 1,000%. 1,000,000,000%. Brings the bishop. Let him bite on the granite, folks. Oh, I forgot it's a 3-minute game. We got to get our plan in quick, guys. Okay. Bring a rook. He attacks my hopper. I save the Amigo's hopper. Guys, I'm Paul Morphy. The pawn was in the way. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for this pawn, guys. It was in the way. Oh my God, I got 5 minutes. Join the tourney. Who's an attorney? We got 6 players now. Stamidis is here to... Okay. I'll be right back, guys. Good game, Calvin. I had pressure. What does the computer say about this position? How come it doesn't just give me an analysis board, folks? I absolutely have to run to the restroom when the tournament starts in 4 minutes. Wow, so I was doing good. He was slightly better for a minute. I played like a 2150. He played like a 1300. Wow. I just want to see what the evaluation is at the end of the game. Oh, no wonder it wasn't showing me a thing, because it's because of this, guys. It's because of that. I go to analysis, guys, and look what it looks like. It's all dead air up here on the right. Is it none of this stuff? Review, analyses. Can we get a reload on the analyses board? No, I'll be right back. No. Close that. Chillers and refresh in case the game starts. Guys, I'll be right back. Tournament's about to start. Get your boards. Refresh your browsers. tournament started, right? 23 seconds. Oh my God, I thought for sure I missed the first round, folks. Oh, I should have maybe refreshed. Why would I refresh? Come on, chess.com. You might not play it all 5 games, but I will try my brain fried. Calvin. That was a good game. Birkinshaw, how you doing, brother? Oh, guys, I'm 1,000,000% going to be shown offline. No, I got my Colas. I got my Colas. He's one of us. Hey, Jay, there's something to take care of over on the purple side if you want to knock a little ban out. It's kind of fun. Just another feather in your cap. Jerry says, I joined in watching on YouTube, so I won't be able to talk. That's okay. You could talk on YouTube. Why can't you talk on YouTube? The banhammer is strong. Oh my God. It's still reloading me. Why chess.com? I should have never reloaded, but I wanted to be sure. You guys are playing your games, right? Am I online still? Like, what the heck is going on with my life? 0 drop frames. Internet's crushing it. Yeah, what's going on with my life? Oh, the internet is crushing it. It's chess.com's problem, guys. Okay, do I... Okay. Let's... Oh, I see the board's messed up, but that's because I was moused over there. I guess we come here and just open a new window and try and go to chess.com with a new window, and we'll assume that other window's busted. Okay, Michaelis, I'm just trying to get there, brother. It's like not letting me into chess.com. This is so much fun. I would check your game on chess.com, Charlie. I mean, I could try on my phone, but we can't watch it. You know what I'm saying? Have an alert. Friend request. Always accept all friend requests. Home. Dude, I don't get it, bro. Literally, like, I can't go on chess.com. It's tournament day. The internet's crushing it. It's crushing it. There are no problems. No, there's no problems. Let's try a new window. Multiple chess.com windows, folks. That is so crazy. Dude, I think, like, maybe we become a very famous streamer and we are now being DDoS attacked to keep us out of... Oh, wait. Play. That would be big time, guys. If we made it big time enough to where we were being DDoS attacked to keep us out of our own tournament. Okay, Dave Joyce, I'm trying to get in, man. I'm trying to get in. You know what's funny? Well, nothing's funny about any of this. MyChess.com is just spinning. It's not this one. That's not real, folks. That's pretend. It loaded up this far. Let's get another one. Chess.com. See? Okay, that one took me there to the front page. Here we go. Play online. Michaelis, do not... My rating is double your rating. You don't have to give me the time back. It's completely fine. We'll play a wonderful game of chess. Guys, I'm in. I'm in. Yep, and everything loaded. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay. Maybe I need to not refresh my browser. Is that Truth says I tried playing, but after practice I will attempt to continue ASAP. Truth, you don't worry, man. You just be safe, brother. Yeah, you don't want dude, drop out of the tournament, man. You don't want to go to football and like, your son's warming up or something. And you're like missing out on the goodies. You don't want to miss out on the goodies. We'll be here next week. Now, if your son's football is on Wednesday every week, we might need to change leagues. But that's bigger picture. Guys, we can knee-jerk react to anything. We can also move slow like the ants, guys. They don't make a lot of mistakes. Hey, Derek Bremer, how you doing, brother? Welcome back, man. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you and all the continued support with your 3-year badge. I didn't handicap myself. They handicapped me, bro. Okay, is there a shot here? This can't be a bad move, could it be? Might not be the best move, but it can't be a bad move. Do we dare make coffee? No, we're catching up on time. I'm allowed one more cup of coffee, guys. I'm allowed one more cup. Oh, man. We picked up a Pawnster, and there's a weakness. There's a weakster. Oh, it's supposed to be 7. There's a weakness stir. Sir. Open mic was great last night, by the way. Mykola says, good luck turning the sound off. The night comes. Just to make a Castello. Just create a magical Castello, folks, for my king to live in. My king is living like a king. He lives in a castle. It is made of very little hassle. He has 1 center pawn. I have 1 center pawn. He has 3 pawn islands. I have 2. He doesn't exactly have easy developmental scenario. Whereas I'm going to come with tempo. Everything kind of comes with ideas, frets, maneuvers, if you will. Even if you don't. If you will, even if you won't, folks. Bill Stevens says, yeah, tell us more. Good turnout, good music. Anyone special show up at open mic. The crowd itself, the numerical value of patrons was less than it's been for probably the last month and a half. We've been on an upswing, and it's been starting to happen. We're starting to get good crowd, a good healthy amount of performers, and most importantly, a good healthy amount of civilians, guys. Civilians. You say, oh, they're not in the military. No, they're not musicians. They're not performers, guys. This is a maneuver. Where can I move and attack something? I could come here, queen, and then bring a rook. But it doesn't do that much. Check G6. I'm kind of like building a bridge. I'm building a home for him, guys. Just here. Is it here? Is it here? There's a best square, guys. Hair. I'm trying to take care of it, but no one's listening to me. Guys, we're up material. And we're up pawn structure. I want to trade queens. So yeah. There were still people, man. It wasn't like what I would call like a bad night. But it was slower than the last few weeks have been, but it's a hiccup. The trend has been great over the last like month or two, couple months. The trend has been really good. And because of this, last night stood out there weren't as many people. It was still a good turnout. And, there's some girl named Camille. I met her last week, and she said something along the lines of, I work here. I'm like, so do I. Do you defend the pawn? So, see? Hey, no. Well, yeah. I like this idea. Because it develops pieces. Brings him into the fight. He wants to attack me? Great. I just come here. More pieces into the fight. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying I'm bringing more pieces into the fight. Good rhyme. So this girl, Camille... Knight takes. Doesn't work because I fork and he comes here. Just bring the piece. Just bring the amigo scenarii. Bring another scenarii to the amigo situation. This girl, Camille, she's some young girl. Can I sing Creep? Can I sing Creep? I'm like, I don't know it. But I remember it's like the same 3 or 4 chords through the whole song. Okay, there's squares. Develop this way, cover some light squares. Pushing here, I don't like. Oh, but this stops him shoving his pawn. So I'm going to play d4. Yeah. It's like G, B, C, C minor, over and over and over and over. And then you just match the dynamics to what she's doing. Bill, this girl's saying good, man. She's a kid. She's not 25. She's 21, 22. She's a young girl. She's singing really good, dude. On key. With feeling. It didn't sound loungy. Yeah, it was really good. She sang really good. So, because of this, I'm like, you're in trouble now. I said, you have to sing every week now. Like, now you're stuck. Now you can't leave, basically. So, we might have a new performer. Yeah, she did that. And we did another one, too. Oh, yeah, we did that song. It's got the riff. The song with the riff. The White Tigers riff. Let me show you. This one. Wait, no. Isn't it? That was it, right? That one. That riff. The problem is, I don't know the song. I know that riff. Okay, I had to figure it out. It took me a second. But then there's some really little mini bridge where it goes like to the G and A, and she wasn't singing when it was. I don't know when it is. The oh, maybe not best. The keyboard player, I think, kind of was semi-familiar with it because he played in a band before. But it seems like it always train wrecked when it went to the bridge, and by the time the train wreck began to stop train wrecking so bad, we were already back on the riff. And anytime you can play that riff, I highly recommend it. It's a beautiful riffster. What's he doing? Is he fighting checkmate? I'm like, is this the Calvin Chambers game? Am I going to get mated? No. Mike Colas. I love you, my brother. You might be in a slight amount of trouble. Is there something I'm missing? Yeah, Seven Nation Army. That's the one. That's the one. Yeah, and she's like, you know Seven Nation Army? I'm like, yeah, no, I don't know it. Mark's like, I played in a band before. I'm like, okay, so you got it? Well, kind of. It's been a long time. As soon as she started singing it to me. Like my old lead singer, Jesse, in our band, he did not play an instrument. But he would sit there and look at the guitar and be like, play there. He'd be like, okay, now move it up here. He would move your hand around and write songs that way. And he wrote some good songs that way. He needed a guitar player to do it with him. But you start playing a riff, he'd be like, yeah, that's cool. Now go up here. Go up here. And I swear to God. And he write good songs that way. She was over there, do 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 do. I'm like, oh, I know that one. Do. Okay, yeah, I know it. But like I said, there's this little bridge, and it comes so fast. I don't know where it is. I can't hear it coming. And then by the time I hear it coming, and I'm like, wait, is that? Oh, G, they're already on A, then the A, and then do do do. I'm just like, oh my God. Okay. There's no checkmate yet. I could threaten checkmate, or we could just win a piece. Yeah, we can't mate here though. No, but we can win the queen. Yeah, everything is okay. Let's just find a mate. Let's just find a mate. This could be the move. This could be the move. Bishop takes, queen takes, knight forced, and this is mate. No, he can come back here, but then I make this square. Is that right? Is this real? Is this real life? Yeah, this might be better, though. When you said the song with the riff, I swear that's a song. Yeah. No, 1,000%. Okay, now. Oh, wait. It's not mating because my queen's not on that square anymore. So I'm going to do this. See, this check forces him here. Then I can play check and repeat. That doesn't do anything, so we just have to win the queen. It's okay. I shouldn't complain. Yeah, it's just 4 or 5. 4 or 5. I thought it was like a... What the heck is a G? I thought it went... We're playing the key of E. And I swear it went... When I looked at the little notes that he pulled up... What's the easiest way to get rid of this, guys? Just attack stuff? I'm low on time, so we don't have a whole bunch of time to mess around. Check. Let's start here. Thing is, my knight has no good jumps. I'm looking for the checkmate, guys, but I don't see it. Oh, his rook can come with a threat. I want to move this anyway, so I'll put it here. It's so funny. Check. Now, this is threatening back rank mate, but this is a check. He has one move, and this is mate. Or if he takes, this is mate. So I think we can play this check. It's just too much. He's threatening a back rank mate. Billy wants a smother. I don't think there's going to be a smothered here. So it is 4 and 5. It happens fast at different times. Yeah, exactly, Bill Stevens. Thank you. That's what I thought. It was still awesome. Because that riff makes up for it. Right. Now, is there anything better than checkmate? I don't think there is. Good game, Mykolas. That was a really good game, guys. Let's see. There are other games going on. Do I have time to get water? Let's check out the dentist. No. Nope. Okay, Calvin Chambers is in, folks. Calvin wants revenge. He 1,000,000% got bamboozled. We just played a few minutes ago. He got bamboozled, guys. The first game. Billy Nichols says, I'm so sad I'm never going to get a smothered mate. Am I? They are very rare, Billy Nichols. They're very rare. Like, I've played hundreds of tournament games and never smothered mated someone in a tournament game. Thousands of online games and maybe a couple of times. It doesn't come up. It's just, it doesn't come up a lot. If you play a lot of 1 minute, you're really pushing volume, I could see it coming up. Z Hippopotamus. It's too late for Z Hippopotamus, Billy. I would give you Z Hippopotamus if I could. Maybe I'll give you one next game. Now we play C5 or E5. Just attack El Centro, guys. It's a Manunu. Something a lot of chess people don't teach is the Manunu, because it's very rare. I learned it in an old Russian chess book. We had to translate it from the Russian word meaning Manunu. Daniel Abbott, how you doing? The bishop comes to E3. Actually, it's a pretty good square. Do we come here? You always taking a Sicilian, right? We're playing a freaking dragon over here. Kango says, am I late? What time do you guys usually start a tournament? At 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time. So the tournament started 23 minutes ago. You might be able to get in late, Kango. Yeah. Oh, I like this. I don't understand why he took... You're supposed to take with a knight. You're supposed to take with a knight. Because you don't want that bishop being there. And that way, if knight, then you can just rip, and then you can play bishop there if you want it. Or you can just wait and do something else. But yeah, kind of gave me the opportunity. Now, bishop e6 could be a maneuver. Bishop d7 is very old school. And I'm going old school. Because I got to put it somewhere. Okay, he makes a Castello. Now we bring a rook. Because we can. Bring the rook. Okay, now we come here. Wait, what square are we giving up? This one? But that's a bishop. I'm taking that bishop, guys. I want the bishop. Obida, it is the tournament. It's tournament day, Obida. How are you doing? How have you been? I hope your life is good. Bill Stevens says, unless you're a Magnus, he has a handful of awesome smothered mate games. But unfortunately, guys resign before he can finish. Yeah, that happens a lot. Brings the rook. Now, do we continue? Or do we play knight, bishop takes? I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to take it and play this move. I'm just chilling out, guys. There was all kinds of ideas with rook c3, knight takes. But I feel like I would have just like rook c3, pawn takes, knight takes. I think he has this move, so that's not the strongest thing I've ever seen in my life. So let's just improve the hopper. Good. Life is good for you about it. Good. That's what I wanted to hear. The knight comes back with great defensive ideas. This probably wasn't the best move because all those other ideas are now off the chart. So we will go where? Knight c5 maybe or something. Knight here. I got to do something. I had to develop connect my rooks, guys. What is it about my post that inspired you to go into radio broadcaster voice? Is it because you know I dig it? I don't know, man. Oh, you know what it is, Bill? It's longer comments. I think that's what it is. Like Obida. I just see, he says, hi guys, is it the tournament? I read it. When someone's got a long one, I go, what is it about my post that inspired you to go into radio broadcaster voice? Is it because you know I dig it? Yeah, it's the longer post. It's the more words. Plays f3. Okay. Securing the centro. What do you do, man? Where's the play, guys? I've kind of screwed this up. I think I've kind of screwed this up. I think I literally want to do stupid stuff right now. No, just anything. Anything but stupid stuff. Anything but stupid stuff. Guys, I didn't do stupid stuff. I was going to do stupid stuff. No. It's just the more words. I wasn't complaining about it. It's I see a yeah, now if I come here, see yeah. And he's threatening this. So this is a bad move. I literally have to run for my life. He has this now. Wow. Yeah, my pieces are not exactly crushing it. It's a real threat. If I come here, he has bishop. So we just have to get this rook off of the fork. Is it okay? We're going to find out. If you have two bishops, try to open it up. Yeah, that's true, Obida. These are the good ideas. I just put I think the bishop doesn't belong here, and I think the queen doesn't belong here. And I had the sack, but he hadn't castled queenside. But I still probably that would have been way better than this. It would have been way better than this. But now you played at 3, weakening his king side. I have to be careful about chat though. So you can give ideas, guys. Give ideas, talk chat, but talk about the game. But I will look at the comments later or after. They are irrelevant. Okay. If I come here, will I get in trouble? I mean, like, will my mom get mad at me? I guess I just think of paragraphs. My wife hates it. My response is always have to be well thought out, so you can call me Bill. You're making something up, but okay. If you want to be called Blabbermouth Bill, that's your choice. That's your choice. There are some people that type so much that I have to click more to read the rest of it. I've had to do that with you once or twice, but there's some people that do it a lot to where I just read up to where it says read more and then I just stop because it's like I'm not a talking avatar that's here to just read words. No speeches, you know what I'm saying? You're fine, Bill. You're fine. You're making a thing out of nothing. Good. Okay, guys, I'm grabbing water. He didn't Manunu yet, guys. He's up 2 minutes on the clock. Caleb's literally dictating out of books. Okay. It's like there's an open fire. I really made a mistake here. It's okay though. It's really all okay, guys. It'll all be this night. It's a little bit annoying. It's a little bit of an annoyer. I don't like the structure of that. I'm gonna move. I had to move, guys. I had to move. It's in the rules. You can't lose on time, guys. Just make a move and then try and find a move. Pawn takes, knight takes, bishop takes. So I could push. There's a discovered attack on my queen. Sir. Dude, you know what's crazy right here? Stuff is crazy. E5 doesn't work. This way. Dude, I don't know how to get out of this, man. This can't be this is not the way. You know what? It might just sack a pawn. It might be the way. I don't want to lose on time. I have to move, guys. I'm going to lose on a clock. Open up the hopper. You guys are talking in chat. I see it moving. I can't look at it, guys. I have to wait until another move comes and your move becomes irrelevant. Hey, Michael Latella, thank you for the like and the share. How you doing, brother? Ooh, I can make this smaller too. I can read some. And Steve Robbins, thank you for the like, dude. Daniel Abbott with the like. Birkenshot with the... He takes. Okay, now. Do we come back here? I feel like it kind of... We are talking to each other, Charlie. Nothing happening here. Caleb says, well, whenever you have any kind of chronic health condition, you literally have to be your own advocate. No one else is going to advocate for you. I got you, Caleb. Just tell me where to stand. That's great, Bill. Kind words. That was huge. He brings a knight back, giving up this square. Guys, I had to do it, man. I was not okay, guys. This, I think I might have just equalized. I think I just equalized. I was in trouble, man. Yeah, I saw this move. Defend this pawn. Defend the pawn. Because stuff could happen later. Brings the rook. Okay, wow. This is a good move, man. I thought I was okay, but my piece is hanging. Takes, queen takes. Bishop takes, rook takes, takes. Pawn takes, there's nothing there, I'm just losing. If I push, knight takes is bad. Oh, so we do this. I didn't see this, guys. I didn't see this move. I didn't see it, guys. Knight comes back. Still can't take. And he puts pressure. That's a good move. This guy has all the good moves, man. I could defend this way. Doesn't do anything. Give up the bishop to save a pawn. This way... to trade down and not lose. I'm not up a pawn, right? I'm not. This, I think, leaves all the problems on the board. I don't think I'm going to get checkmated on the dark squares. I think I'm just having to sack a pawn to get out of it. Rook c8 here and just lose the pawn. Takes. He comes back. Wow. I didn't even think about that, guys. I just played it. He's coming at me so much. Literally unprotecting my queen is so weird. It's like, what do you do? What do you do? Thank God this rook doesn't play chess right now, because this rook doesn't play chess either. You know what I'm saying? But all the other pieces are playing chess. Okay, we gotta take. He has knight takes, I think. Just forced a draw against a 19 under. Daniel Ramirez! Yeah, no, Michael Latella, my opponent, is doing great. He's doing great. I think there's obviously stuff going on. I need to be thinking counterplay, but I think I needed to be thinking counterplay earlier, probably. I'm like hanging on as long as I can, you know what I'm saying? I'm just over here hanging on as long as I can. And the time's getting closer, but I have a minute, guys. He has 3. So technically, I feel like it got closer because he's only up 2 minutes, but he still has 3 times the time. True Chiller. Did you get a hot dog, True Chiller? True Chiller just did a hot dog emote because he was at a football game. Is it practice or a game? Okay, now he only has twice the time. We got him. Okay, he finds the best move, guys. I saw it ahead of time, Abida. I saw it. He didn't fall for it. He spent a minute on it, but he didn't fall for it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because that's why I played queen here, was a discovered attack on the bishop. Oh, man. So I was supposed to bring the other rook? Get the knight. And now then I can hit the queen. I'm going for something I learned from a master a long time ago about it. It might not work in this position. but he showed us a game. He played in Northern California. We were in Southern California. Al Bogner was his name. He's still around. PD Master David Bassett knows him. And this is it right here. Oh, but I lost a piece, though. I don't get to take back. I thought I was going to get to take back. Do we come here? Yeah, he's going to come here and mate. So, yeah, I did that wrong. Here, I think he can still play this move. No, he can't because I got to rip it. So maybe this. Wait for it. Bring a rook. I'm losing, man. I'm losing! I didn't realize I was losing a piece. But the idea was to play for the imbalance. But I think it was probably a bad move here. Well, especially since I lose a piece. I had to play bishop takes. I could not allow this. I couldn't allow it. I had to do it before, though. Okay, I'll look at it later. We'll look at the games tomorrow, folks. There's time to study tomorrow. On the morrow. The Corey Morrow. Okay, he has queen check. I didn't see it. He's low on time, though. He might not find it. Queen check there is better. I'm getting mated, man. It's too much. Oh, no. Good game, Calvin. Good game, Calvin. That was a bad game. My Sicilian ended up getting busted. Yeah. I had a chance. Oh, no! Oh, I thought I played E6 by accident. Dude, we both played bad, Calvin. We both played bad. Don't feel bad. Just win the rest of your games. Oh, my God. It burns like fire! Why does it burn like fire, folks? Because it is like fire. It's like fire, guys. It's a little bit like fire. It's not exactly like fire. It burns like fire. I get that from a Taco Bell commercial. It burns like fire! Okay, that's a move. Now we just say we're happy. And Stockfish always has to take. Just take. It develops his bishop, but it always says take. It always says take. This seems like a move, but it's not. This is my move right here. might play c4. I mean c5. But guys, I'll be right back. Okay, what happened? He develops a hopper to the F4 maneuver. Okay. One thing I learned a long time ago. Make a Castello when you can, folks. Make a Castello. I ate a lot of ghost sauce last night. It's definitely going to fire. Daniel Abbott. I did too. I made late night ramen. 2 eggs. Chopped up some onions. I like a lot of water, so I added a chicken bouillon. One of you recommended that because the ramen flavor's not enough. And then I used a can of ghost pepper rotel. It was so good. Okay, maybe you pay for it later. Like, I'm just not sure the best way to do this, but it's my fault. So Mucho Faltello. It's not bad. It's not bad. I got the open file. I got one center pawn. He has none. Easy development for both of us. He's ahead. Is he ahead in development? I got 3 good developing moves. He's got 3 good developing moves. Yeah. It liked white. It liked white right here. Right here it liked white. Here it might be a little closer to equal. Here it might be a little closer to equal. He's keeping my bishop from pinning his knight stir. It's almost always... We could attack with ideas. I could push this, but he might get this move. That's why this is always an idea. It's a very solid move, but man. He could just play knight and then make a Castello. Abbott would be proud. Computer's going to say knight c6, but I feel like this pawn is going to be weak. That's why I want to either push and push. I can push now. No, then he comes and it doesn't work. I could come and trade stuff. That's dumb. This kind of opens up the queen. I'm going to move. I got to move. I'm not going to lose on time. I don't think this is a losing move. He has to do stuff. Okay. What if I don't win in the opening? He's 1,621. What if I'm not winning a piece on move 7? That's okay. That's okay. I can It just sucks to develop your pieces, but it's the move. Now, there's ideas of this. Knight here. And I can't do this. So I might have to play this. I might have to play that first, but it's okay. It keeps the knight out. I get the best of both worlds. I don't have to play c6. My knight can still come to the square where it wants to come. It just takes a little more news. He spent a move, which I'll be able to spend a move. Then we'll have our easy developmental scenario. We'll find a place for our hopper. We'll have our file. We'll play the king over. A whole nother move. Maybe queen. Queen, queen. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he's just spending moves, guys. This is a move. This is a move, guys. This is probably the move. Because I have this. Here, I don't have this. I could do this now. I could play this. I feel like he spent a lot of moves, guys. This move, like, only reasonable. Shove. He can hit it. But he's also hitting this. So it's not best. Bishop here kind of stops this. This might be the move. Just move. It's not a bad move. Knight c6 is coming. c4 is still there. d4 is still there. So this opens up c4 and d4. It also opens up knight c6. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Now another idea is shove and put the bishop on this diagonally. This is also a move. I don't like it. Stockfish, 1,000,000,000% is telling me this is the move. That's what I'm going to play. That sounds delicious. It was so good. Good afternoon. Hey, the Jet. How you doing? Welcome, the Jet. Oh, man, I played a really bad game last game, the Jet. I'm trying to play better here. Yeah. Now this whole idea is not as strong without his king in the middle of the board. He'll come here. No, he can't come there because I'll take it. Push. Back. Push. And I can come here. And I can trap it. This looks good. It might be winning. Push. Bishop back. And push. And I think he has to go home. I'm doing it. Am I overlooking something? Does the Jet hang out with Benny occasionally? Bill, it's very possible. Oh no, I didn't see it! Well, he made me move. I'm still on the knight. He still can't come here. This gives me b5, bishop b7. Guys, I didn't see this move. This could be a good move. This could be a good move. Bishop comes back. Can't do this. I'm losing it unless I defend it. I think this is a better square for my bishop. Because the world could happen. Oh my God, what have I done? Oh my God. Enjoy you talking through your thought pattern, the jet. Thank you, but I gotta tell you, my thought pattern didn't see that pawn hanging with check. This was probably still the best move, though. Believe it or not, strategically it looks bad. It creates a backward pawn, but then I think I play b5 with a threat, maybe? No, because then he can play knight. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what was best, man. This will be a good learning experience, too, but I blundered that. I blundered that horrible manunu. He has queen. Oh, well, the knight comes. Where's he going? Here? I could come to this square and take care of it here. I could develop a bishop to this. Oh, there's a fork here, though, so I can't do that right now. This is an idea, too. And then maybe bishop back. Maybe bishop back now. Here, he can come here, but it doesn't really threaten anything. I get to rip this. I think this is my move. It's my move! And I'm sticking to it. That's my story. He brings the knight back. I'm taking the monster. I'm taking a monster. Okay, now he's got me blockaded. This at least saves it with tempo. Is it here? Yeah, I think it's here. Oh my God. The tactiques! Moves the king. Oh, but now the bishop wants to come back. So just bring it back now. Or connect the rooks, closer to connect the rooks. I sneezed, guys. Daniel Abbott says, oh no. Bless you. Thank you, the jet. You are a kind soul. An idea is to take the pair. The au pair. I thought I saw something scary. Don't be looking at scary stuff in my game. Okay, brings the knight. I'm going to take it. Okay. And then I'm going to develop. Yes, check, though. could be okay, though. Oh, he's really actually threatening it, too. So I need to play check, queen takes. Or I need to play this. Doesn't work. So check. I need to play rook takes, queen takes, and this. The check doesn't do anything. I think that's what I have to do. I want to just attack and do this. Here takes, bishop or rook takes, queen takes, threatening mate. Bishop would come back, but he'll have a rook here, and the bishop can't come back. Now you can't come back. So I think I have to do this. So I just want to acquire a nickname like the Jet. You know, Bill Stevens, I know a guy, a friend of mine named his son Jet. Like his name's Jet. Cool name. Cool guy. I don't think his daughter has as much of a unique name. I'm not 1,000,000% sure. But yeah, he plays drums too. The Jet does. Jet Li, right? He might have named him after Jet Li. My initials are Jet, and it's what they call me when I stream. They call you Jet, huh? Nice. Probably a good move. I get the bishop. Down a pawn. I can't take... I could leave the knight on, but then, like, this one's my queen. I could come back this way, and this I have to take. Right? Guys, I'm just putting the binders on. I have nothing else to do. This could be a maneuver. Come back here. Wow. Pushing could be a problem. I don't know what to do here. I need to play a... This is an idea, but then I think I'll lose this pawn in the game. I'm down a pawn, right? Yeah. So I need to keep the rooks on. It's a great move, man. could have been a mistake. Brings the knight. Did I have a better move? I think I did. I think I had a better move, guys. I think I should have done this. But now I think it's too late. I got nothing. I got nothing. I mean, I'm still losing. I'm still losing, but I think maybe... Oh, no, I didn't have it. Oh, brings the knight maybe here. I got Stemidas 2.5. I have 1 out of 3. Daniel, too good. Honestly, I couldn't do nothing. Did Daniel win? Jason Tedford said, "Hey, Charlie, been a while since I joined a stream. Welcome, dude. Chess and I have a hate relationship. Welcome back, Jason." He's trying to win on time, he looks like. Well, he was winning on the board, too. He was winning on the board, too, man. So, I don't know if he was trying to win on time. I think I was slowly losing on time by the way he was just making better moves than me, and I'm like using all my time trying to stay alive. I draw my pawn. I've done this before, man. Didn't I drop this pawn before? How? This is so horrible. Daniel probably, I can't believe it. Guys, the tactics are weak today, folks. I just played this move out of anger. I didn't even think. This one. I thought I could play e5 right there. I can't. I'm nowhere near playing e5 yet. Just playing knight f3 or bishop g2 like I tell you guys all the time. It's okay. I got the pawn out of the way. The pawn was in the way, guys. I am Paul Morphy. Now I can attack his king freely. It's a good move. Right. I'm in so much trouble. Did Daniel beat Calvin or no? Very curious. Guys, we really need to turn it up here. Castle's laughing. Comes here. Defending. Almost have this, but I don't. Here he just comes back and he heads for this square. But we have to castle. I got my own binding scenario up here going on here, folks. I'm still playing chess. I didn't quit yet, guys. You know, Magnus said something funny. Magnus played Pia. Magnus played Pia Cramling. And he said something great about the King's Indian defense. At my level, it's a fighting opening. At Magnus's level, you just have a horrible position from the beginning, is what he says. It's almost like a gambit where you gambit a pawn and you're down a pawn at the beginning of the game, so you have to play good moves. He said King's Indian is like, you have to make something happen because your position is horrible. And by dropping that pawn, now we're in a game. You know what I'm saying? Now we're in a game. The queen comes. I can't play bishop. If I go here, where does his knight go? I don't see it. Okay, he comes back. Now I can come here and push. This has a major threat. This also defends stuff. This must be the best move. It must be the best move. Because it prepares the castle. Either side, really. Is it safer to castle kingside here? It probably is. Although... Okay. Oh my god, this was a horrible move. Wow. So am I losing another pawn? Am I losing... Wait, I could give this up, though. I could play knight. Doesn't do anything. Oh, no, I could castle defending. Give up the bishop. Oh, yeah, it's this. But you know what? Then we're all in the attack. Yeah, we're all in the attack. It's all you can do, guys. It's all you can do. Wow. My tactics are bad, folks. If I come here as knight b4, I could come here. He could just come to d5, but I think he'd probably rip the rook. I could come back and take with the queen with the bat ray. I think this is best. Guys, I got sleep last night. Now, do I take with the bishop? I think taking with the bishop is dumb. I think taking the queen doesn't help either. I'm just in mucho problemo, guys. Mucho problemo. It's Italian. Don't look it up. Knight coming back to f5. It's a beautiful square. He does give this up. This can't really do anything special. Sacking it is probably best. You know that? So that's protected now. I gotta move. I'm just losing, guys. There's just no good way. Oh, and this unprotects, so I gotta come here, which is kind of sucks. We do have a square for our knight. A big, beautiful, juicy square, I might add. We have nothing to lose. Daniel, too good, honestly. Oh, yeah, that's all. He goes back, really? He goes back. Wow. There are squares for him, and that's a pretty good one. It's attacking my pawn. It's attacking my square. This does nothing. He takes with check is the problem. Wow. So I guess we have to come back? Didn't he just come there a minute ago? I should have just instantly played this, right? I didn't get to play you today, says Buck. Is this the last round? 4 of 4. This is the third round. Oh, this is round 4 of 4. I think my numbers aren't updated. Oh, yeah. Buck's got 3 of 4. Ooh, you're winning, Buck. Oh, you finished with 3 out of 4. So if Daniel wins, he can pass you. I can't pass anybody. Now eyes can't leave. Michael Littell, thank you for the share. Dave Joyce for the 100 stars. Thank you guys so much for the support. The love and support. If you really want to support the stream, guys, hit that happy button right there. We do chess workshops for subscribers only. We do behind... Oh, my God. He just says I can just... This comes with tempo. So I'm just doing it without thinking. I had you guys. It comes without thinking. Now we have ideas of loosening them up a little bit. We have to bring this rook into the game of chess, most likely to the open file on the Kingster. My queen sucks. He wants to trade it for my knight or my thing that is defending my thing. Okay. I could come here. Bishop takes, pawn takes, hit the knight. He'll just drop into a sweet little square. We could keep attacking. Takes. You know what I'm saying? We get a bishop. We could bring a rook. The rook's kind of defending this. Here. I mean, there's nothing good happening here, guys. There's nothing good happening here. Knight. Yeah, we just do this. We have no choice. We improve the bishop. You can just take. Knight d7, he has bishop moves backwards. Oh, he got me. He's getting me here. He's getting me there, folks. Yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay, brother. I mean, I missed easier stuff than that this game. Hey, Vishal Paswan. The queen comes. Problem is, check wins my bishop. So everything's falling apart. This looks like a pretty good move. I can't really do... Oh, I could play queen here, I guess. It's like it holds on for one move and just loses a pawn, I think. Hey, holding on for one move and losing a pawn is not the end of the world, folks. We've lost more material than a pawn. Right? I could have played queen here, maybe. Wouldn't have done anything. It wouldn't have done anything, folks. We might get this move, though. And massive stuff. Sadly, I think I have to... Do I have to take? It's the only way not to lose everything I own. Okay. Guys, I have nothing. There's no moves here. There's no moves here. Yeah, exactly. And that's the give up move. That's where, like, now you can't move. I'm gonna resign. Yeah, I played horrible. That's probably the worst game I've ever played against you, Daniel. I'm sorry about that, man. I wish I would have gave you a better game. The last game of the tournament is up, folks. It is Gotttuba versus Calvin Chambers. Gotttuba with 2.5. Calvin Chambers with 2. This could be for the podium. Man, Jet, at 400, you have so much room to improve with relatively little effort. The higher you get in rating, the harder it usually is to improve. And so being at rated 400, you're in just an awesome position to like be 800 in like almost no time. You know what I'm saying? Going from 800 to 1600 can be a little bit trickier. Anytime you lose a piece, you can always just call it a sacrifice, and it's okay. You try. The Jet says, I've been playing the coach 1000 level over. And, okay. Well, I ain't gonna lie. We got a great gaming stream later, folks. Guys, you definitely need to join our live alert broadcast channel. It's very simple what it is. Do I have a link for that? Yeah, it's right here. It's on Facebook. And it will give you live alerts every time we go live. For live alerts every time. Click here. Bam, bam. There we go. Yeah. So it doesn't matter, guys. I could go to... How come it never lets me copy and paste from there? For live alerts every time, click here. So if you want to get live alerts, guys, you know how often I go live once or twice a day. And you guys know me. Sometimes on the weekends I don't go live at all. So if you want to get live alerts when I go live, for sure, because you don't always get alerted when I go live. But if you want to, click that link. Bam, you'll get a live alert every time I go live. It's absolutely amazing link, folks. It's the world's best link. What is happening here? I see more black pawns. 2, 4, 5 to 6. Black's up a pawn. He gave up the bishop. He has a rook that's rather advanced, but it doesn't seem to be doing much. The king is going to come in, but the white rook is going to get active. This is really weird, folks. I'm not sure what's happening in this endgame. I think rook back may have been better. You're up a pawn. You got a protected passer. You don't have to do anything crazy. You have to let this rook come in and start eating your pawns. I get third no matter what. Buckwild locked it up. Anytime you lose a piece. Oh, yeah, got that. Buckwild locked up third place, folks. He seems to believe he locked up third place. Daniel with 3.5. Okay, so Godtuba can tie Daniel if he wins, but the tie breaks. He might be able to beat him on tie breaks. Because I think I'm not sure if Daniel's tie breaks have been. It's like, what do you do? Yeah, you can take pawns, but you never should have gave that up. I don't think. The rook's not active, man. Oh, that's a pretty good move, too. Because the rook can come and sack. But this rook can come and come back. And if they're indubitably, they'll be easier to stop. Push forces, king up, push, rook back, rook down, queen, rook takes, king takes, and these are stopped. So he might be able to do this. And what's cool too is they're doubled. So bang, queen, bang, it's not check. And he's got the check. He's got this check. And, like, check and mate. Yeah, so this is very interesting, man. This is a very interesting thing. He brings the king, but now there are checks. There's a check. This thing still can't queen. Oh no, but you don't want to give him time to come over. Yeah, so you say check. If king comes, yeah. Now he must come to the back rank, and we queen would check, or we come here. Yeah, he got him, man. The pawn. Look at this, man. Daniel Stamitis with 3.5. Godtuba comes in with 3.5, but Daniel wins on tie breaks. Buckwild with 3 points, and you had to play the same tie break people as Godtuba did, Buck. Let me copy. Oh my God, let me copy this, guys. We got to take a screenshot. It's for posterity. Everybody smile when I screenshot your things. Okay, now we have to look here, and we have to screenshot this too, and I will announce the winners. Guys, congratulations to Daniel Stamitis with 3.5 out of 4. First place in the Open. Congratulations. Second place to Godtuba. 3.5 out of 4. Second place in the Open. Third place, Buckwild in the Open with 3 out of 4. Next, we are looking for an under 1,400 player. Solar Preacher at 600 is first place with 2 out of 4. So Solar Player gets the under 700. No, the under 700. And then is there an under 1,100 Mykolas? Mykolas gets the under 1,100 with 845 rating points. He wins the under 1,100 section. And Sola Preacha gets the under 700 section. Dude, congratulations, guys. That was freaking awesome. Great tournament with a huge stream later. You want to get alerted for that? Look at the link I just posted right above. Click it, join it. You will get links. You'll get alerts every time I go live, guys, including tonight in just a couple hours. Playing Elden Ring After Dark. We have an amazing speedrun lineup tonight. Josh has a big chicken wing. He has this really cool build. Some DLC weapons, some base game weapons. I copied his build, and Josh and I are going to two-man finish the whole game. And I don't know. I bet it gets done pretty quick with this build. We're going to see. As long as I don't slow him down and die, guys. It's going to be fun. Yeah. Cytherius, good stuff, man. Congratulations, man. Guys, what a great tournament. I love you guys. I knew I messed my order up. Calvin Chambers. Rook to defend is a draw. Oh, man. Yeah. You mean bringing... Rook to defend is a draw. I'm waiting for it says draw. No. I mean, if you're talking... My computer never said it's a draw. How far back? I don't see the draw, man. What move are we talking about here? It's always... It went down to minus 0.6, but that's not necessarily a draw. E7 is a draw on what move number? Because my evaluation... E7. Oh, you mean rook e7. E7 is a pawn move. So you're saying here rook e7 is minus 4. It's minus 4 because of this. And almost the same thing. Like I said, yeah, rook h8. I showed this line while you were playing. d7. Ooh, this is even better. Rook d8. Wow. You make a queen and then you take this and it's a draw. King f1. Rook d7. d7. Check. King g2 and queen. Yeah, I'm not sure. The engine never says it's anywhere near a draw, so you might need to look at it with the game review. I just don't see it. I'm not trying to prove you wrong. I'm just like, really? Because I was watching the game. Yeah, and I think black was better because he had the passer. I don't think black needed to. Okay, computer likes bishop g3 and king f5. Computer likes these moves. I'm thinking, bring the rook back. You have a protected pass pawn, man. Get the rook. Get the rook somewhere where it's a little more active. It's not doing anything right here. But Stockfish actually loves these moves. Rook f7. King d3. Gosh, man. Takes. e4. You guys play all Grandmaster endgame moves, man. That's good. E3 is best. CD6. These are all the Stockfish moves. Rook e7 here, but it's still -5. Black's winning. Yeah, rook e7. Black is still winning. Starting with a move like this. You know what I'm saying? And just queen. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, no. It's okay. Maybe I didn't understand what you were saying, Calvin. Good game, though. Oh, Seth, man. No, wow. Elden Ring later at 8 p.m. And join the Live Alert channel in the link I posted. You definitely want to join that, guys. There's 250 people in that because they freaking love it. You know why they love it? Because anytime I go live, they get the link. They get the link, guys. You definitely want to join it. And if you don't like it, you can unjoin it. Like, it's very simple. Every once in a great while, someone unjoins it. But you know what? Every once in a great while, no, constantly, the number's going up. I remember we're stuck at 70 something people forever. Then we got over 100. Then we're stuck at like we couldn't break 200. Then we broke 200. Now we're at like 250 in that group. Because, and another thing, I could like sell T-shirts in that message. I could send it out to 250 people. I could send you a message. I could sell T-shirts. I could say, guys, I don't feel good. I'm not going live today. I don't do that. If you want to know when I go live, if you want a guaranteed alert when I go live, click that link, join it, you'll get it. Once, twice a day, not so much on the weekends. You'll get your alerts. I love you guys. I got to make dinner. I got to get ready for a big stream tonight. Congratulations to the winners in the tournament. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Or no, I'll see you guys later at 8 p.m. If you guys join the live alert channel to get the link to every live I go to.